Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Technically T hitting you with another video today, and we are taking a look at the Spigen Glas.tR Easy Fit for the 12 Pro Max. So here it is. This is going to be a 2-pack. Let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it, and let's see what it actually has going on. So you do get your installation instructions. Now, we don't have to read these. I'm basically going to show you what you have to do to get this perfect, absolutely fit when it comes to this. Only thing it comes with is basically a squeegee cable, and it's going to come with your 2 screen protectors. So installation is clean and wipe. Step 1, do the step 1 film, place it down, and then we're going to do all that. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. So it didn't give us a film. It didn't give us anything to wipe it down with. So luckily, I have something right here. Actually, we're going to use this one. We got a different one we're going to use. We're going to use this little wipe right here to actually wipe it down. So no alcohol wipes in this packaging, which is surprising. I thought they had some alcohol wipes in here, but it's all good. So let's wipe it down. Let's wipe it down. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Make sure we don't have any debris up there. So we don't get any, no dust shield either. Like, that really disappointed me a little bit. If you guys don't hear my voice, I'm like super disappointed because I'm expecting Spigen to really give you everything that you need. They only gave you a squeegee card and basically these 2. So anyway, that's all good. We're not going to complain about it. Let's actually, I see a little bit of piece of dust up there, but we don't have any dust stickers to actually handle it. So we kind of taking a little bit more time with this, making sure it's all clean. All right, so finally I got it all clean. So first things first, what we're going to do is going to peel where it says back. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Boom. All right. Then we're going to basically align it. So this is going to be the top. This is going to be the bottom. They give you a little top and they give you bottom inserts here. So let's go ahead and set it down on the actual phone itself. And it says press and slide. So we're basically going to press and slide. Make sure everything is good. Press and slide. And of course, it's going to tell you to wait 30 seconds. So everything should be adhered just fine. All right. So let's wait this 30 seconds. All right, so go ahead. It says remove from here. So here's going to be, we're going to remove that there. And then we're going to pop it off the actual phone itself. And you do have a few bubbles in here. So let's just go ahead and smooth these bubbles out, which was very easy to press out there. Very easy to press out on the bottom. Let me get these little bottom stingy ones real fast. All right, cool. Boom, boom, boom. All right, cool. Everything seems smooth. Now we're just going to peel it off. Boom. All right, so here it is. This is going to be the Spigen Glas.tR for the 12 Pro Max. So very good installation, no bubbles, even no debris when it comes to the bottom of it and around the actual screen protector itself. Now let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now on the edges, you see there is a little bit of give on the edges, so this is going to be case friendly. And just for comparative purposes, let's just finish the review of the Neo Hybrid and all the rest of the Spigen cases. So if you do want to run a Spigen case, it definitely works just fine. Doesn't raise it up, doesn't do anything like that. So you're definitely good to go in that manner when it comes to that. Now let's take a look at the actual cutout up top. Now, as you can see here, not sure if it can show, but as you see, it's not, I'm not saying it's not accurate because it is kind of uniform around the whole notch, but I would have liked for it to be just right along the actual notch to make it just a little bit more precise. Now, it's not a deal breaker at all. It does just fine, but attention to detail, I probably would have liked to see just a little bit when it comes to that. Now, let's go ahead and do our scratch test. As you can see, this is just a micro USB cable. And let's just hit this scratch, scratch, scratch. If keys is going to be in your pocket or something like that, if that's going to be your thing, let's just do a quick little scratch test. And I'm really pressing in hard. And I am not seeing any scratches at all on this screen protector. So absolutely perfect when it comes to this. So if you're a person who puts change or anything like that in their pocket with their phone, for some odd reason, if that's what you want to do, I feel like it'll protect the screen just fine. You don't really have to worry about anything like that. Now, let's say for an example, you just like Spigen as a brand so good and you like their screen protectors, but you may want to use a different case from a different company. Maybe you just want to use something different. Here's the Rhino Shield, solid suit right here. Works just perfect. So once again, that's going to be another option. If you want to use a different case, you don't have to use Spigen with their screen protectors. You can use this right here, and you definitely should be good to go. So this is going to be the Glas.tR from Spigen. Once again, this is a 2-pack, so if you do mess up, they got you covered with a second one. But you already know, do all the YouTube things, man. Hit that like button, comment down below, hit the sub bell, and hit the sub button, turn the sub bell on, so you don't miss out on any of these future iPhone 12 Pro Max accessory videos. But Technically T, I'm about to get up out of here. Catch you on the next one. Later.